guys, today suddenly missed ice cream, and good thing our friends from Moonsky and Sonny is now open for online deliveries. And yes, you know what? I already decided some orders. I think my wife loves the say cheesecake, the yellow cream rafting, and we even have this panda. What's the panda again? Where's that? Yeah, the matcha do about nothing and panda mime. So yeah, decided to order it, and I'm gonna pay it. So cashless na ta. It's the new normal. So I'm gonna pay it via GCash, and afterwards I'll wait for my order for tomorrow. Pwede na put order daan today for delivery tomorrow. So excited na ko sa order, and I'm gonna, simple lang. No cash needed. Just pay via GCash, and my ice cream will arrive. So guys, kung hindi nga mag-ice cream, money, check out this website na lang. Ako ibutang ang link sa akong kuan. Hani na video para Moonsky ang sani kalay. In a bit, mauna na ang ako ng pagdawat. Ice cream din ang pagkaw. So finally, bye. Ang Moonsky and Sunny na akong gi-order sa wala ko. Niabot na, bayo, alam mo? Paspas ra kayo, alam mo? Paspas ra kayo? Yara, Carlo ba? Sige, nasip na siya. Alright, thank you sir. Alright, alam mo ko. Okay, thank you. Alright. Na natong Moonsky ang sani ng ice cream. I don't know, hasta kung mairo, sobra ka-excited naman yung isaba kayo. Pero yes, kinabit, bago na ng abrihan. Ito yung lalang flavors na I'm sure mag-enjoy yung tanan. We have the matcha do about nothing, yellow cream rafting, we have panda mime, and say cheese. Oh, imagine that. So finally, inabit ato ng tilawan o itong kanon na itong mga Moonsky and Sunny favorites. Excited na kayo. So this is the flavor that I picked for myself, the say cheesecake flavor. So mauna ni say cheese. So finally guys, ako ng tilawan nilang say cheese. So say cheese ba, it's like blueberry cheesecake. Blueberry. Sound to buy. Tama. Meron siya blueberry cheesecake na ice cream niya. Siya grahams. Tama siya. Yellow cream rafting. Mango float na ice cream ba? So guys, grabe na satisfy gid akong ice cream cravings tungod sa Moonsky and Sunny na delivery. Thank you so much kay paspas naman day kayo. I ordered online, I paid by GCash. So guys, if you wanna try it out, nasa description ang link. So I need you use that link para maka-order, and pag ice cream na para mag-enjoy kita kung giminga mo sa Moonsky and Sunny Tilawi, so ay balik, and I'm sure perfect yun karon labi na kung nag-lockdown ang Cebu City, so mag-ice cream lang to sa balay kung para di ta magsigiglaak. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope mahuman na ni tanan para manggawas na sa tagbalik. But it's good na mga negosyo karon nag-slowly pick up na, nag-open up na sila, nag-online na sila, so supportahan nato sila, and we should try to adapt the new changes about online ordering, online delivery. Kay mao na mo ginay-kuan, mas safer plus kanang electronic money, e-money like GCash, like PayMaya para pohon wala, di na tamang sige gamit og kwarta sad para kuan lang atong gamiton e-money na lang para mas convenient siya o mas paspas man sa siya, especially when you're doing online transactions. So thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope you enjoy this episode, and see you sa phone sa mga future episodes, guys. Thank you sa support. Bye bye.